Hi, so today I'm here to do a product review for this tie-dye kit from Hippie Crafter. This was sent to me from Amazon to do to give you my honest opinion. So far, I think it's pretty cool. It comes in its own case, which I think is great, so you don't have a bunch of loose parts all over the place. And like I said, this is a tie-dye kit from Hippie Crafter. Now, this craft site has tons of different crafting kits, but I want to look into the tie-dye kit here. It says it is professional grade. It has 24 colors. It's got 24 bottles, 24 bags of dye powder. It's got spray bottles, rubber bands, gloves, plastic funnels. It comes with a plastic worksheet and instructions. So everything is in this kit. So that is pretty cool. So let's look inside. So it already comes with your tie-dye instructions, which we'll look at here in just a second. Here is a bag which has your plastic. Well, it looks like it has 2 plastic funnels in it. It has got your gloves, your disposable gloves in it. Let's see, what did it say? It's got 5 pairs of gloves and 2 plastic funnels, and then your 1 plastic worksheet, which I'm not sure how large the worksheet is. You get a bag of 100 rubber bands, and those look like pretty decent size rubber bands. Now, I've never tie-dyed anything, so this is purely me just looking and, my first impressions. So this is your dye powder, which there are 24 bags of. So let's open this up and kind of look and see. Okay, so it's labeled with the color that says Lake Blue. And, well, let's just look and see what the colors are, because I'm curious. We have Lake Blue, Cadet Blue, Light Orange, Dark Blue. We have Dark Orange, Yellow, Black, Orange, Dark Purple, Rose Red, Red, Pink, Purple, Dark Red. We have Gray, Grass Green, Light Green, Gold, Magenta, Dark Green, Purplish Red, Sky Blue, Dark Umber, and then we have Highlight Yellow. So that is a lot of options for your colors. So that's pretty cool, and I like the fact that they are labeled so you know what color you're getting, and you're not just guessing by, just the looks of a bag of color there. And it says you're getting 24 1.7 ounce bottles, and they have, I don't know if you can see, but they have a 25 mark and a 50 mark on here, and they have got the labels on here, so to put the Cadet Blue in this bottle, but that says Cadet Blue. So I really, really like that. So that way you know that you're not accidentally grabbing Sky Blue when you're wanting Cadet Blue. So you know which ones or what's in what. And then they also give you these spray bottles. So you get 4 of the 1 ounce spray bottles. So that's pretty cool. So you can put your color in there and spray it on your shirt for like a spray effect. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And then you get your 2 plastic funnels and that you can use to pour your powder into your bottles. So let's see. The instructions say, first off, you're to prepare your workspace. So that's where your gloves and your plastic comes into play. Then you just pour your powder into your bottle, and then you just fill your bottle up to the 50 line with water. That's it. You just pour in your powder, pour in water, and you're good to go. So you screw on the cap and you shake it until all the powder is dissolved, and then you just pour it onto the shirt. So that is really, I mean, very easy. And then on the back of the instructions, it goes into more detail, which, again, it just tells you how to mix the dye. It shows you how to create the swirl effect on your shirt. And it also says that you need to wash your fabric, to wash your shirt first, but leave it damp. And then you're going to start from the middle and you're going to pinch it. And then that's when you put your rubber bands on and make sure you're wearing your gloves. So I actually took the liberty, because I was curious to see how long, once you mix this, how long that the dye would be good for. And it said that if you mix your dye, it's good for 4 to 7 days at room temperature. But if you put your dye after it's been mixed in the water, if you put it in a refrigerator for 3 to 4 weeks, it'll be good in a refrigerator up to 3 to 4 weeks. Now, whether that is true for all dye, I don't know. That was just kind of a generic answer, so I don't know. But I think as far as a beginner's tie-dye kit goes, this would be absolutely great. It says that this is non-toxic and safe for all ages, so I think this would be something cool for, say, like a birthday party, or if you've got some kind of kid function going on, this would be great. A church function, or something to do on a rainy day with your kids. You know, something for grandparents to do with their grandkids when they're over for the weekend or something. So I do know that there is a 10% off promo, I think. If you use Hippie 10 on your first purchase, you get 10% off. So, and they also have a website. But like I said, this was sent to me from Amazon. Now, it does say to use cotton shirts. And once you put this on your shirt, it says to let it sit in a plastic bag for 6 to 8 hours. And then you are to take it out, rinse it under cool water for, however long it takes for the water to run clear. And then, take the rubber bands, take all that off. And then it says to wash your fabric in a washing machine by itself for the first time. using minimal amount of laundry detergent, and then you just, wash it under a normal wash cycle. And then you can use, allow it to air dry, or you can dry it in a dryer. But you can also, if you have any issues with their products, you can also, email their support. So that's pretty cool that they have a support email. So I actually bought some shirts, and I thought me and my daughter could try this, because like I said, I've never tie-dyed anything before, so I would like to try this and see how this would be, and see how bright the colors are. And so what I'll do is I'll take and do a couple shirts, or I'll do a shirt and see what it's like, and then I will add that clip into the video and let y'all see what it looks like. So first impressions is, I love that they have everything you need in this kit. I love that it comes in a box for storage, even after I finish this, and I can just stick everything back in here, put it in a closet somewhere for later usage. So, alright, so that is my opinion, and I'll come back at the end of the video after I have done the shirt, and I will show you the shirt and let you know what I think about that. Okay, so we have the swirl effect in that bag, and I just kind of rolled this shirt up, and my colors kind of bled together, and I got mixed up on the colors, but we will see. And I just have these in different bags, and my daughter's finishing her shirt up, and after about 6 to 8 hours it sits. We'll see what it looks like after that. Okay, so this is the result of the tie-dye shirt that we did for the tie-dye craft kit from Hippie Crafter. My opinion is it was very easy, very good instructions. Everything in this kit is, well, I mean, everything you need for tie-dyeing except for a shirt is in this kit, and it's reusable. Other than the dye itself, you'll have to go buy replacement dye if you use all of it, but you can reuse the bottles, you can reuse the funnels. We didn't mess the plastic up. I'm going to fold it back up, stick it back in there. So, yeah. I think the colors came out nice and vibrant. So my overall opinion of this kit is it is a very good beginner kit and is great for kids of all ages. So that is my opinion, and I will leave the links to the Hippie Crafter tie-dye kit. So I'll leave everything in my description box. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's my opinion. Thanks for watching.